Hi everyone, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by Corsair. We will be discussing more and more Corsair products as we go along, and I'll be giving you insights about what to expect from their product lineup along with a short overview of what it has to offer. Well, every keyboard manufacturer focuses on making their mechanical gaming a lot more flashier and cheaper. Corsair launches their latest K60 lineup, wherein you can get a K60 Pro, a regular K60 Pro, a K60 RGB Pro, an SE version of this, and a low profile version. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into the unboxing and let's start off by looking at the box. Okay, so here at the front you will see the actual keyboard, the K60 RGB Pro, and there's a lot of Corsair branding all over the box. Here at the back you will see all the specifications of the box, and yes, it is compatible with PC, Mac, and Xbox. It has a cherry switches and yeah, let's start unboxing now. Okay, so here we go. Guys, it is still sealed. Hold on. Ta-da! So you will see the keyboard right away with the manual here. Yes, of course we need that. And let's just remove it outside the box. So there's nothing left inside the box. There you go. And finally, we have here the Corsair K60 RGB Pro. Let's try to light it up. Hold on. Let me just do this. Okay. Corsair was kind enough to top the lightweight plastic base with an anodized brushed aluminum top plate in black that is attached to a thick rubber cable which serves as the connection to the PC. The brush strokes are subtle on the top, but it adds the feeling of being premium. Considering this is a budget keyboard, it doesn't come with a multimedia keys over here, but there is a discreet Corsair logo here at the right top of the keyboard. Or is it the left top of the keyboard? Alternatively, you will get the media control using the FN row along with the RGB light effects through 11 pre-made RGB lighting effects. With this keyboard, you will get the full RGB experience with its Cherry branded mechanical switches. These aren't the usual MX style Cherry switches, but are the Cherry Voila switches, which are linear and smooth. As you can see, the POM socket housing the switches are rather big, chunky, and wide, similar with the pudding keycaps. The switches combined with the Corsair's low-profile keycaps give way for an overflow of RGB. The Cherry Volas are similar to the Cherry MX Reds with a linear feel and their key travel actuating at 2 mm with 45 grams of force. Though their preference for tactile switches, I guess it'll all boil down to the person's playstyle and gaming experience. Despite being one of Corsair's mid-range mechanical gaming keyboards, they still did not leave the fun of customization using one of the best Rgb softwares in the market, iCUE. As simple as it is, the Corsair K60 RGB Pro has an SRP of 4,320 pesos along with its full customization of RGB. Well, that's it for the Corsair K60 RGB Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about this product, do check out www.kangdupet.com. Again, see you on my next video. Bye-bye!